This area of land in southeastern Jefferson County near Floyd's Fork is the Tyler Schooling property.
This is property that's currently set aside for future development through the City of Parks initiative and the master planning effort that's going on right now for the entire 27-mile stretch. So while we don't know exactly what's going to be on this property, we do know that it connects to the 100-acre Floyd's Fork Park and another 50-acre property that we own.
At almost 300 acres, it's an area similar in size to Seneca Park.
Okay.
While fire isn't normally considered a good thing, in cases of young conservation areas like this one, it can be an important tool.
This was the second year past the installation, and so we were scheduled to do a prescribed burn to help us promote the growth of those native grasses and wildflowers and also cut down some of the invasive plant species that are in here. It's a repeat process. We'll do this periodically every few years to keep this as a grassland, and it's part of our effort to develop a prescribed control burning program within Metro Parks to help us do resource management activities.
And then jumping over into the tall grass.
Metro Parks and Olmsted Conservancy workers, along with local firefighters, worked together on the controlled burn. Staff was divided into those who started the fires and those who put them out and monitored the situation. Overall, about 20 people participated in the project.
We're on a pretty steep learning curve, but we took a lot of effort at this point to partner up with the fire department. We've got the Olmsted Conservancy out here helping, so we've got a lot of fire experience, a number of individuals who've participated in over dozens of fires. So we were comfortable that this was well under control, but it's part of our effort to implement that program and train our staff so we can do this in the future as appropriate.
So how can experts tell when they've got a good burn?
When it stays where it's supposed to.
During a burn, the fire is controlled using natural and artificial fire breaks. In this case, areas were mowed and the perimeter was watered down to contain the fire in its desired area. There's also staff on hand to keep the fire on track and handle any flare-ups or hot spots.
Overall, we're really happy, and it went well. We didn't have any spillover, so it was a really good training exercise for us as well for the future.
The temperature at 67 and the humidity at 58%.
Stormy weather put a halt to the burning.
The wind is what's helping us push the fire through the grasses right now because there's green in there as well. And if we get any thunderstorms or anything, the winds can go anywhere and we don't want to be burning if that happens.
All in all, 2 fields were burned, a total of about 16 acres. The stage has now been set for establishing a healthy conservation area that we'll all be able to enjoy for years to come. A valuable link to the Floyd's Fork Greenway project and an important step in building our city of parks.
Metro Parks plans to use controlled burns on a rotating basis throughout parks in Jefferson County. Each location will be burned every 2 to 3 years as this environmental management technique becomes more routine.
Metro TV, a public service of Louisville Metro government.